This is what I call, that's what I'm talking about. This home has so much to offer. Like this area that we're in right here, this seller never thought that they were going to move. So if you're wondering, most of these things just got completed within today, yesterday, or within like the last year or so. But you are going to love this home. It is better than new construction. When you walk in the front door, you're gonna say, this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I've been looking for. I can't wait to show you, so let's go inside and take a look. I have no doubt you love the home as much as I did. It is super stunning. I mean, we can't deny it. So if you have any questions, want to take a personal tour, because I can tell you, you could never duplicate this house with everything it has to offer at the price of which we have it. So the seller's, I guess, loss is going to be your gain. Give me a call at 419-460-5587.